bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Wrestling fans, it's time! It's time to unbox John Cena Mattel Elite Top Picks from 2021. I can't wait to unleash this word life John Cena onto your collection. Let's get started. Let's slice and dice right away. Let's get into this thing. We're going to take our blade here, the trusty scissor blade, and we are going to cut into this Mattel Elite. Now the Mattel Elite's one piece of tape there, which is nice, and then bam. And we preserved the package there, okay? And we're in, just like that. So pretty easy opening. And then the shell will slide right out, okay? So we've got a shell, John Cena. There he is, awesome shell, John Cena. He's got a hat, removable knucks, the shirt. We're gonna put them all together for you here. There's a little plastic, we'll slice that. There was a plastic on the nut caught it. So I lost both knucks to the plastic container. John Cena, awesome figure. Look at the head scan. Bum, 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 bum. And look here, the hat, you can put it backwards. Let's get these nuts out. The shirt has a little, shirt is out. We have the shirt. Nuts are out. John Cena in finger hands. Out. So there we go. We've got everything here. These nuts are awesome. I will be listing this guy for sale, of course, in the eBay store. I'll provide a link down below. You can check it out. I will probably have him listed in several different forms because I have a lot of custom collectors that buy from me on eBay, and they don't want the whole figure. They want certain parts of the figure. So that's what I like to try to accommodate. And here we go. Here you see John Cena. Awesome figure there. Let's put his shirt on. Let's put his shirt on. We'll have to take the nuts off, so you can get an idea of what the shirt looks like. Pretty easy to get on. Make sure you slide it all the way up to the top of the shoulder. Then give that arm a bend. That way you don't rip anything. And then Velcro the back side. We'll pull out the chain. And we've got John Cena ready for war. Word life, John Cena is ready to invade your collection. Word life, John Cena. Go to my eBay store, X2 Man Cave Collectibles. Like I said, there's a link down below in the comment section. Click on the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more box openings and toy reviews. John Cena!